President ka United Democratic Party UDP met ba lingdo haka arpu tarik jemang ula ong baka party kan sa shim ya karai haka baya day bat kyrtong jongka nakabenta ka election shiteng samay jongka Shillong Lok Sabha hapo kiniki ars ni kibanwan. Haot ka party kelas dang ya ka sinjam baya day bat ka jingjit ya kyrtong nakabenta ka election shiteng samay jongka Shillong Lok Sabha Hendray ka kam kadang ya shakman. Bat ngi kmi linti ban shimya karai hadin shisngi ni arsngi ong uba medba haba keren shakilat patai kubar. Ula penpau bakila dan ar ni laingot ki dekat ke parti ki bakwa banya kon ya kanik election Hendray ula banjur baka jingjit kamdai ke bapensyong nongrim tang haka jingkwa banya kon Hendray haka jingkermen banjam. Ngam tharai bangin ya dakata ningkong ngi haban pet ya ubriu hatu don ki basyukwa ban wanra ya tangkum ukertong ni mauhi dalade ukwa ban long ukertong nakabenta kanu kanuk election ulaang. Ngikwa ban yo ki kiman ki ba udan bat neka kat badai ki kertong. Ngikwa ban yo ba udan ya kajing angnut basisya ban ya kajing syakri ya upat ba lada unsyak jit ulaang. Habakli hatu advocate VGK kenta udai uwena pedeng kibakwa banyakon uba medba ulaang kidon shibun ki kerteng Hendray kumbang laong ngan shim yakapor kababyang bat namar ki babon ki kwa banyo bayakarai de ban shim shwa haga kerdan jongka party bat hadin katangin sa pentip syabarwa.
See, every day is not Sunday. Okay. And if you, I would like to tell here to everyone that in the last MP election it was in fact the worst performed year for the party and RDA as alliance. But if you look at the MDC election, just 1 year after that, we have recovered, by 1 lakh plus additional votes to RKT, UDP alone, I'm saying. So that itself has really convinced us. And this time, when we go around, there are a lot of demand from the people based on the political situation in the state. The demand is as such that UDP should field their own candidates. The party has already initiated the selection of a candidate for this MP by-election for the Shillong seat. But that part is still under process. And we are yet to come to a conclusion perhaps maybe in just about another day or two. It's not a matter of application, in fact. We have 2-3 friends who are interested to field this election from our party. So as I've said, we are yet to take a decision. So accordingly, maybe in a day or two. Talk is on as far as that is concerned with the RDA. And let's see. That also perhaps maybe the day or two. I think it's a very timely decision that we want to take. And we will do that. I don't think we will go by that. In fact, first of all, I think we have to look at the person, whether somebody is just interested to bring him as a candidate, or he himself also wishes to be a candidate, fighting the election. And we would like to see also what is the agenda that he has with him or her, whoever the candidates are. And we have to see that he really means to give that kind of service to the people if being elected. There are many names there, but we are, as I said the other day, that I will definitely update you at the appropriate time. And since most of them, they would like to see that the decision is being made at the party level first, and then after that we will definitely inform everyone. See, MDA is a government. In fact, it's the coalition of many political parties. But as far as the party matters is concerned, we have our own think is concerned, and all the parties are definitely working towards the interests of the state as a whole. So it all depends from time to time.